Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and I'm bringing you another balls-free watch face, people. Listen, I gotta ask you, if you can, share this on social media. Help the channel out. Help the channel to grow. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out this awesome watch face. Now, yes, this one is going to be geared to a fitness, but this is also an everyday watch face, a work week watch face, can be a weekend watch face as well, right? With that being said, let's check out this watch face. All right, you all, I'm really excited about this watch face. Now, some of you all may not like it. I like it because it has everything in it, although I may not use everything. This one is a nice watch face. Now, the name of it is called 3D Sports, and in the AOD mode, of course, it's going to be in the dark theme mode, but you can get all your information as you would when the watch face is on. Now, what I like about it is that for those of you all who are into working out, into fitness, this is going to be the perfect watch face. Now, if you go around the bezel of the watch, it's going to start at the bottom. To your left, you get your heart rate information. You're going to also get your hiking information. You're going to be able to get your music, your weather. You're going to also get your step info, and you're going to also get info on floors climbed. Now, down at the bottom, it's going to give you your step information. I fell a little short. Wasn't feeling that well today at work. So yes, I'm just up under 20,000, but I still think that's pretty good. Now, dead center, you're going to get your month, your date. You're going to also get the day of the week with a nice digital time as well. But check it out. It looked like it has a analog clock right next to it as well, right? Which I thought that was pretty cool. You come down, you're going to get your battery info and a PM stamp as well. So overall, I thought it was a good look. Now, this watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. You got to download ASAP. This one definitely gets my stamp of approval, but you got to hit me in the comment section down below and let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Now, before we go, you can customize the watch face by double tapping in the center, and you can change it to various colors. So that's the dark mode if you want it in that mode right there, but we're going to go through a couple of more. And I thought this was pretty nice. For a free watch face, this isn't bad. Now, this one is coming from MW Designs. I thought he did a great job on this watch face, and all your icons are interactive with a single tap. Not bad, right? So let's go around. We're going to go here. Now, it's going to give you the same information here and here for your step information as well. And of course, there will be a music player, and you can also go into your weather as well. So all in all, I thought it was a nice watch face. That's why it gets my stamp of approval. I thought the developer definitely did a great job. But the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below, because I really would like to know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.